Okay, we're on to lesson 3 now, One Rein Collection. And the purpose of this lesson is to teach your horse to yield to both legs and one rein. Just the opposite of lesson 1, where we taught our horse to yield to both reins and one leg. Now we're going to teach him to yield to both legs and one rein. And this exercise is a great lesson to have, a great tool to use on your horse to slow a horse down that wants to rush off in a circle. So I can get him to change his mind and want to slow down without me pulling on him with both reins. Okay, so you want to start, we're going to go to the right this time to mix things up. So I'm going to hold on with my left hand. I again want to have my reins long enough that he can put his head to the ground, and I'm not going to interfere with him. Okay, but if he has his head up, I can lift my hand here and reach him. Okay, I can reach the end of his mouth here, and all I'm going to do is just reach down with one rein, and so he's got slack in the outside rein, and pick up on that rein and yield him. Okay, so I'm going to teach him to be soft in his face and yield to one rein. So I'm going to start at a trot. He's going to stay on a circle here. He's falling in, so I'm going to pick up my rein, make contact with that rein right there, and I'm going to slowly keep bending him till he drops at the pole and let him go. He took his nose out a little fast, so I'm going to pick up on him again, drop it. He took his nose out a little fast again, so I'm going to do it again. And drop it. He's there, that was better. So I want to keep working on that with him until he holds his nose in. And it don't have to be a lot. I just have to see that he's holding that nose in when I let go of that rein. I can start picking it up a little faster, till he holds it there for a few seconds and then turn him loose. Okay, everything's going pretty good here now, so make sure he's listening to me, and I'll just leave him alone until he makes a mistake. If I need to steer him, like if he's not listening to my hand, wherever I put my hand, if he's not listening to it, then I can pick up that rein and help him. And also, when I pick up on this rein, wherever my hand is, if I want my horse to go outside, I just push my hand over there and he goes out. If I want him to come in, I just slowly pull my hand to the inside and he'll come in. But it's all from just the right rein, and I'm using both legs steady. So I want to teach him to yield to that rein, but also I've still got to control him as I'm doing that.